sick, so my voice, when I get sick, my voice gets really deep. So I'm sorry, it sounds like I'm lying, but yeah, my nose is blocked, so if you see me like leave my mouth open, it's to breathe. So, this is the hair. All I did in prep is I wet it. Now we're gonna get with the blending process. As you can see, this is my real hair right here. So we start off by parting my hair. All I did was I took this rat tail comb and I just went like over a section of how I want it to be. And then I just play with it until I get what I want. Okay, so now all you're gonna do is wet the section. This takes a lot of gel, by the way. Like, I have a lot of fucking gel in my hair. Then you gonna take some leave-in conditioner. Then you wet it. I get my hair fully wet. I don't get the leaf fully wet. Then you go from the ends with the rat tail. Moving ever nuts. So now you're gonna take your gentleman brush. Well, this is I can't remember what this is called actually, but you know what this is. I can't remember what it's called. A tangle teeter, that's what it is. And then I do that, and then I take my handy dandy gel. And I take a lot of gel for this process. And then I put it majority like on the top of my hair. Then I like smooth it down the rest. Like this takes a lot of gel, I'm not gonna lie to you, it does. So yeah. So then you're going to take the gentleman brush and then start combing your hair into a weave. And then whatever like leftover gel you have, you're gonna put it right. I have a widow speak, so that's where I put it. Help it like so, and then I comb down my hair into the weave, just like that, and then